Here is our Zamp solar entry port. And again, we have our standard Zamp seal underneath with a dab of lap sealant on top. So out of the panel, you have your little fuse, which is really nice about these Zamp panels. Plug in your extender, and then it goes to a little SAE, and you just plug this thing right in. So super simple, easy way to connect everything. You're not using those solar glands or those entry glands that you have to tighten that may loosen over a period of time and create leaks. These things are great because it's just plug and play. Once you get everything bolted in there, you're ready to go. Now that you have your panels mounted to your roof and they're plugged into your solar gland, this isn't detrimental. It's just, you'll hear a lot of this while you're driving down the road. And it's just simple. Use these little sticky guys, clean off your surface, and you just pop these guys right in, and then zip tie them on there, and it'll just keep you from wiggling around, and keep your wires secure your wires. And I know we've talked about that a million different times, but nice secure wires, and it's just very easy. These things don't seem like they stick to really anything, but it's kind of incredible how well these things stick and how long they stay. So this is more of a just keep your van kind of quiet thing, and it does help. These ports will stay tight, but one thing you want to look out for, they come with grease already on them, so you can use like some dielectric grease, smear a little bit on there, maybe check this once a year or so, and all that does is just protect your wires from corroding. If they corrode too much, they're gonna lose connection, and then you're just not gonna get any power into the system. So a little bit of dielectric grease goes a long way. Just smear a little bit of that in there and then plug it in.